Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm really sick. That's why my voice is so deep. Oh god, I sound so young. I sound like an 8-year-old girl, but I'm not 8-year-old. I'm 16. Sorry. Okay, I made a mistake, that's good. Why did this girl friend me for if I am at the limits? Dumbass. La 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 la, you're such a fuck yeah. I'm so sick. What did he do? Oh my god. YouTube says wait. What? What? He has a crush on me? What? What? I can't reject him. I already have a Valentine and cough. You have a. You know what I'm not gonna have. I saw your artwork. Really cringy, boy. Really cringy. Don't hate me. Oh my god, I'm so sick. I saw your baby. Wait, who was that other girl? I hate my laptop so much. I bet it's CC something. Yep, it's CC. Yep. Wait, what? Ooh, oh my god! She has a crush on Jacob, of course. But yeah, this guy cannot get over. He's a really good person. He doesn't believe that yes. What? What's that? He's acting dumb again. Stop acting dumb. Art book. He doesn't even know what's AB. AB is the short version of art book. You dummy. Oh my god, I'm so sick. So sorry if you hear my weird noise. Oh my god, stop playing dumb. Please. He's playing dumb. Like, why? Stop playing dumb. You poopy. Don't hate me, Jacob. If you, wait. I'm lagging so much. I love blah. Sorry. It's so weird these days. School is really stressful for me. Oh my god. Not sure where. I got so many shirts instead of bottoms. I do have a lot of shoes. unnaturally dumb. What is he talking about? He likes two girls. He likes me, and he likes Cece. Cece, that asshole. Don't hate me! Wait, Cece has a boyfriend. What do you like? I'm back. Wait, is it 40? Oh. I'm sorry. I didn't thought that was a 40. It says hidden. Oh, I think the guy's name is Hidden. I'm dumb. I really need to buy a new... Oh, I forgot. I hate this new thing, by the way. Like, wait, stupid lag! Like, seriously. I saw, like, this hair. Not that one. That's VIP. I saw a boy. See this one? See? That is just. Bruh. Like, what? Why? No one will ever put that. Like, this one. Seriously. Wow. I actually kinda hate this stupid fudge poodles. I'm so sick. I'm so sorry. I look really, really ugly. If I have my VIP, I could literally buy this cute animation. Could literally buy it. Oh, and when I get my own card, I'll buy a year VIP. Not trying to brag. Not trying to brag. Oh, and this is like my first time recording with my voice. It sounds super bad. Feel like Valentine's Day. I don't need. No girls needs a man. But I have a Valentine's Day. Oh yeah. I am so dumb. I know. I am mean. Oh my god. Wait, let me see the background. I already seen this cute background. I really. My god, it's expensive. I only have like 74 SC star coins. Wait, SC and star coins. Why is it VIP and why is it so cheap? And this shit is 400. I hate sheer MSP. And no one has seen. What is it called? I don't even know. Yeah, this. Only like 4 people saw it. And no one else. Haha. I'll just put a point. Oh, I'll be right back. And I'm back. And I just saw 56 gloves.